You got the job. You expect to get paid. Now, this one form decides how much money actually hits your paycheck. Hey y'all, it's me, CrysTeen. Y'all know I always give you real life, real skills, real talk.
So let's talk about how to fill out a W-4 without the confusion. When you start a job, your employer gives you paperwork. One of those forms is the W-4. The W-4 tells your employer how much federal tax to take out of your paycheck. This isn't about taxes later. This affects how much money you take home right now. You fill out a W-4. You receive a W-2.
Let me say that again. You fill out a W-4, you receive a W-2.